Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, iPad Debra, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be about type of pencils and type of blending techniques. What is the difference between graphite and charcoal pencils? So let's get started to the video. So let's first talk about graphite pencils. Now graphite pencils are basically वो पेंसिल्स जो हम स्कूल से यूज करते आ रहे हैं, बट अब उन पेंसिल्स को हमने थोड़ा सा अच्छा कर दिया, उनको हमने स्केचिंग पेंसिल्स बना दिया है. तो अब ग्रेफाइट पेंसिल्स में हमारे पास दो सीरीज होती हैं, H सीरीज एंड B सीरीज. नाउ H सीरीज स्टैंड्स फॉर हार्डनेस एंड B सीरीज स्टैंड्स फॉर ब्लैकनेस. नाउ द थिंग इज दैट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ द सीरीज, लाइक व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं हम इसे करते हैं. सो H सीरीज pencils are a little harder and not very easily to blend, like they are not very prone to smudge as compared to B series. B series pencils are way softer and they are like very prone to smudge, like they are meant for smudging and blending. So that's the difference. That's the first thing. What shades do we require in H series and what shades do we require in B series? So now in H series we require the shades that are 2H, H and HB. These are enough for them. Now what is the use of these three pencils? These three pencils are going to be used in basic structure drawing and maybe in drawing your skin tone. That's it. Apart from coming to B pencils, so B pencils are used for creating depths and blending and like for the entire detailing as well. Alright, because details are done with usually a darker shade. So the grades that we require in these pencils are 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, and 10B, 12B also exists, but that's pretty optional. If you want to go for it, just go for it. Else, if you want more darker shades, you can go for charcoal. Now coming to what is this 2B, HB, 1B, 4B. So what's that? So basically sketching pencils में क्या होता है कि the higher the number, the darker the pencil. The higher the number, the darker the pencil, especially in B series. When I'm talking about the B series, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B. So in B series, the higher the number, the darker the pencil. 2B pencil is going to be a little lighter, 4B is going to be way darker, 6B is going to be darker, 8B is going to be a little more darker, 10B is darker, and 12B is the darkest. So basically these are the higher the grade, the darker the pencil. So that's the fundamental thing, that's the theory of the pencils. Now coming to what's graphite and what's charcoal. So graphite pencils are basically a little more grayish and charcoal pencils are jet black pencils. Graphite pencil is always gonna give you shiny grayish texture. Like it's gonna get darker, but it's gonna get dark gray, but not like very jet black. If you want very jet black color, you have to go for charcoal pencils. So this is the main difference in between both of them. Then how to identify them, even like if you want to sketch anything from a sketch, so how to identify कि इन्होंने चारकोल पेंसिल यूज किए या ग्रेफाइट पेंसिल यूज किए. तो बेसिकली जहाँ पर आपको ग्रेइश टोन्स नजर आ रहे होंगे और थोड़े शाइनी टोन्स नजर आ रहे होंगे, वो जो है वो हमारी ग्रेफाइट पेंसिल होगी, और जहाँ पर हमें थोड़े से बहुत जेट ब्लैक मैट टाइप के इफेक्ट्स नजर आ रहे होंगे, वो हमारे चारकोल पेंसिल्स होगी. नाउ कमिंग टू व्हाट्स चारकोल पेंसिल्स एंड व्हाट आर देयर बेनिफिट्स एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस. So when I'm talking about charcoal pencils, I'm also adding their disadvantages because it has some disadvantages. So let's first talk about the benefits. So first thing is that charcoal pencils are very versatile. You can just use one pencil for both light and darker shades, but that is not in the case of graphite. You have to use a different pencil for lighter shades, a different pencil for darker shades. In charcoal, it's like easy. You just need one pencil. You can do dark and light shades both with one pencil. Second thing is that these pencils are very cost effectively. So as compared to charcoal pen, as compared to graphite pencils. Now graphite pencils जो है वो अच्छी वाली पेंसिल्स हमारे शुरू होती हैं 3000 से और फिर आगे जाती हैं 8000, 10000. आप जितना पैसा लगाएं उतना अच्छा. As compared to charcoal pencils आपको सस्ती मिल जाती हैं, आपको 200 रुपये मिनिमम, 300-400 रुपये, हद 100 रुपये तक की मिल जाती है. आपको डोवेंट की मिल जाएगी, आपको बेहतरीन पेंसिल है डोवेंट की, तो आपको मिल जाएगी. सो कॉस्ट इफेक्टिवली है. थर्ड थिंग इज दैट चारकोल पेंसिल गिव्स यू मोर डेप्थ बिकॉज इट्स मोर डार्कर, सो इट गिव्स यू मोर डेप्थ and it gives you very very matte effect, not a very shiny effect, so it gives more realistic look. So that's the one benefit of charcoal pencil. Now let's talk about disadvantages. So the disadvantage of charcoal pencil is that they're very soft. Now charcoal when you use it on paper, वो paper पर बहुत powdery हो जाता है, like fall out करता है बहुत ज़्यादा. So it's powdery. So the pencils are very smooth, very soft, तो बहुत जल्दी उनकी pencils टूट जाती हैं. And the second thing is that कि with ग्रेफाइट पेंसिल्स आप 2B यूज़ करें आपको एक शेड मिलेगा, 2B से आप 6B यूज़ करें आपको डिफरेंट शेड मिलेगा, आप 12B यूज़ करें आपको डिफरेंट शेड मिलेगा. तो चारकोल पेंसिल इसके आप एक ही पेंसिल के साथ काम कर रहे हो एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू कीप अ कंसिस्टेंट टोन. लाइक इफ आई एम ड्रॉइंग द स्किन में यहाँ पर ब्राइटनेस है, यहाँ डार्क एरिया, सो नाउ फॉर द ब्राइट एरियाज it's like a little difficult to achieve a consistent tone. So that requires a lot of practice, a lot of practice, yes, a lot of skill developing, a lot of practice. Now another disadvantage is that charcoal pencils are not very easy to erase. For erasing them, first तो पहले बात तो मिटती नहीं है, second चीज़ अगर मिट भी जाए तो वो एक इलेक्ट्रिक इरेजर है जिससे शायद वो थोड़ा मिट जाए, but it's not going to give you a very clean look. So as a beginner, if you want to work with charcoal pencils, it's a big no. First stick to graphite, make up your skills, work on your skills, get into practice, then you can switch to charcoal pencils because उनको handle करना इतना आसान नहीं है. Okay, so that's the difference between two of them. Okay, so now moving ahead to what are the types of blending, or like what are the blending techniques. I'm gonna share 4 blending techniques with you today. So the first blending technique is called tonal technique. As I mentioned कि हम हाथ यूज़ नहीं करते ब्लेंडिंग में, या तो हम ब्लेंडर यूज़ करते हैं या हम पेंसिल को स्मच करते हैं. तो टोनल टेक्निक में हम पेंसिल को स्मच करते हैं. We use pencil in a tilt form, like very slantly we use a pencil and we work in one direction to smudge the pencil. Now coming to the second blending technique, it's called hatching. Now hatching is like drawing lines, and where we need to create depth, we use a little pressure. Now the third technique is called cross hatching, and that's also like hatching, but we do hatching in both sides. Then the fourth technique is called scrambling. It's like you're just doing noodles on the paper and then you're blending it. So these are the 4 blending techniques. Apart from everything, again I'm talking practice and patience. If you want to get professional in anything, you need to keep on practicing and you have to be patient to learn a skill. Alright guys, so this was for today's video. Hope you liked this video, and if you do, just give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. So see you next video. Bye bye.